You're going to go to the thirds group, which is you guys, and take 10 of your pieces. You're going to go to the fourths group, which is back there, and you're going to take 5 pieces and go to the fifths group, which is right here, and take 7. How many total licorice pieces, after you've combined them all together, do you think you'll have?
So we got to predict.
Well, predicting, yeah, but there's a way to add all those numbers up. You know how? Okay. You guys know how to do it. Okay? We'll take 1 more minute because after this we have to gather them all together. Are you guys adding? You guys think you're going to end up with 1 and about 1.5 total? Is that what you're saying? Because how many is 6 over 1? That means you're going to have at least 6 whole pieces of licorice. So if you've got, yeah, it's like you got to figure out how many you're going to have total. Do you guys know how much you're going to have total by the time it's all over?
No. We think it's that. Can we add this up?
Yes, that's what I asked.
Yeah, we got that.
So you're going to have 47 total licorice pieces? Not just pieces, I mean like whole pieces. Like if you were to combine pieces together, you would have a whole piece. Like they've got the whole licorice strips over there. How many total licorice strips do you think you'll have?
How many are we going to get from that?
2 of the wholes. You're going to take 4 of the halves, and this is the half group, so you'll just grab 4 of those pieces. Then for the thirds group, which is back there, you'll just grab 8 pieces. Oh wait, they're the thirds. Okay, of the fourths group, which is over there, you'll grab 11 little pieces. And here, at the fifth group, you'll grab 12. Okay? But, if you add just those numbers up, will you get total licorice, like the whole licorice strips, or you get like little pieces? I'm talking about how many total licorice strips, whole licorice strips. Okay. Now, in your group, let me remind you. Ready? We have the ones group. We have the twos, the threes, the fours, and the 5s. On your slips it says how many to take. Go around and take that many licorice strips or pieces from that group. Go. Get up, go around, grab your pieces. So yeah, whoever's got go over the bags, stick the right amount in each. So you will want to take your bags and go and grab each of the slips, each of the little pieces. Again, we've got 1s over here, 2s back here, halves, 3s over here, thirds, 4ths or 4s back there, and the 5ths right here. It would make it easier to calculate, I would think. How many do you think you have? You'll end up with? It's my college class that you're doing that for. Hi, Aaron. This is too bad. The bell's about to ring. The bell's about to ring.
In about 30 minutes.
Oh, it didn't? Okay, quickly, because the bell's about to ring. No, it's a half day. We're on a half day schedule. You're gonna eat them up within your group. This is the 5th group right here. This is the 5th group. 4ths are back there.
I thought we were supposed to be estimating how much we had in them.
No, by the end, we're going to figure out how many you really do have. You're going to piece them all together and figure out how many you have.
I remember we had 11.
That's everything? Okay.
Okay, we're done. Wait, home slice, we're done.
You're done with all your pieces?
Yeah.
Okay. Get together, and you're going to calculate, figure out, before you eat them, how many total, like if you were to piece them all together, how many total licorices, whole licorices would you have?
31.
You wouldn't.
You wouldn't?
You would not have 31. I don't want total licorice pieces. I want how many whole pieces would you have if you were to put all together?
Oh, okay, that's easy. I got that.
Okay?
But the bell ring.
Yeah, the bell's going to end up ringing. So you can either... Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys should, unfortunately, if you're not going to be able to add them up. That was the purpose. You guys have to add up how many pieces you have all together and how many whole pieces you have.
We supposed to do it right now?
Well, the thing is, if I had more time, it would be...
Oh, you can get mine now.
That would be 54.
Oh, you can get mine now.
How many do you have?
29.
A little bit more than that, I think. But you're a lot closer than the rest of the guys. Okay. What you guys have, before you guys can eat them, promise me, guys, before you eat them, add up how many, guys, how many, please leave, please, ladies. Before you eat them, promise me, if I can trust you, that before you do that, before you eat them, add up how many total whole licorice pieces you would have if you put them all together. So, the whole ones, that counts as 1. But if you have 2 halves, that's 1. If you have 3/3, that's 1. How many would you have totally? Write it down in your slip. I'll get it from you the Monday after October break. Sure. We're going to figure out your pesos. We'll probably grade the test. Okay, you're going to add up, not...
I'm keeping these.